Have you ever noticed the real fight isn't losing the weight, it's keeping it off when your body's fighting you? It's the 6 months after where you're white-knuckling your results because your body's fighting back. It actively slows down your calorie burn to hold on to weight. Most people treat maintenance as a Diet-Lite, just a slightly easier version of the restriction that got them there. But your body doesn't see it that way. To your biology, a chronic deficit is a crisis. If you don't change your system, your body will force a rebound. That's why these fad diets rarely work. Stop viewing maintenance as passive. It's a distinct, high-effort phase that you need to implement in controlled refeeds, systematically adding fuel back to rebuild your metabolism. You aren't just eating more, you're telling your body it's safe to run at full power again, gradually, by undoing the slowing down that you forced on it. Now, maintenance is a skill. It's not a holding pattern. When you respect your physiology, you stop the yo-yoing for good. So quit the Diet-Lite mindset and start building a sustainable system. If you're ready to actually win, follow me for more.